A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You think if you did about back in the day, you would have did do what Peter did do and say, him no know Jesus? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to John chapter 18 from verse 15 to verse 27. Simon Peter and one next one of Jesus follower them walk back at the soldier and guard them when they did carry Jesus go Annas. No, the other follower didn't know the leader for the priest them. And sake of that, him follow them when they carry Jesus go the leader for the priest them yard. But Peter didn't go in. Him turn out a door at the gate. The other follower, when they didn't know the leader for the priest them, come back out and talk to the woman who did a walk at the gate and carry Peter go inside. You know one of him follower them too. One slave girl who did a walk at the gate asked Peter. No, me no one of them, him said to her. No, it did well cool. And so the servant them and the head priest guard them did a turn up round one fire where they did make to keep them warm. Peter did turn up there with them too, and warm up himself. Same time this did a go on, the leader for the priest them did a ask Jesus question about him follow them and about when teach. Me talk for everybody hear me, Jesus said to him. Me teach in the Jew them church and in the yard where God house there. Where part the Jew people them meet up together. Me no hide and say nothing. Where you ask me then sit near for? Ask the people them where hear what me say. Them know what me say. When Jesus said this year, one of the guard them shot him a box in him face. I saw you talk to the leader for the priest them, him asked Jesus. So Jesus said to him, say, if me say nothing wrong, then tell everybody else so when me say wrong. But if my uncle talk what true, what make you box me? Then Anna sent Jesus go Caiaphas, the leader for the priest them. Him did still have Jesus tie up. No. Simon Peter did still turn up and warm up himself. So the people them around the fire asked him, say, you and one of him follower them too. But him tell them, no, me and one of them, him say. The somebody who for years Peter the chop off, did a family with one of the leader for the priest them, servant them. Hear him to Peter. Now you may see with him in a garden. Peter said, no go so. And same time him say so. One rooster crow. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.